And I'm Patty. And today we're going to talk about vacations.
Oh yeah, Bruce and I have an exciting vacation coming up.
Sounds great.
Yeah, we're going to head to Nashville. We have a friend that lives down there. He's got a cabin. He's got a house and a cabin down there, so we're going to go check that out. But I'm hoping to go to a recording studio and sit in and watch a recording session. I've got someone I know down there that says I can stop in and she'll show me the recording studio. So what I'm really hoping is that they are recording sometime while we're down there, so I can sit in and watch that, because I have a background in audio and video production, and I think it'll be very exciting.
I'm sure it'll be exciting.
Yeah.
That's great.
Yeah, and then after that, we're going to head down to Florida, and we've got some friends that have been in bands and things like that. And then Bruce has a friend that actually writes jingles for a living, and we're going to go check out. He's got a recording studio in his house. So my whole goal with this vacation is to check out music-related things.
Right.
Bruce is also going to sit in on a jam session.
Oh, how cool.
Yeah. So I
what
think
a fun
it'll be
vacation.
Fun.
It sounds fun just listening to it. And
yeah.
I'm not going, and I don't know the people or these places that this recording studios and all of that,
Mm-hmm.
you know, that I'm not familiar with that, but it sounds great. You know?
Well, I'm also hoping to sing down on, somewhere in Nashville in one of the bars or something down there, but we'll see. I was down there about 4 years ago, and I got to sing in about, 5, 6, 7 different bars, and it was a lot of fun. And I had just started singing again. I hadn't sung much in 20 years, and so, man, I was just shaking. I was so nervous.
Yes. Now, see what you can do when you decide to get away from the 9 to 5, create incredible buzz, and just try to enjoy life. What a cool trip that they have planned, the experiences. Typically, you wouldn't be able to take 2-3 weeks off work and just kind of go do what you want to do.
Well, and actually, Incredible Buzz wasn't the influence, but it was the getting away from the 9 to 5 job. Right. And I'm trying to see what else is out there as far as audio video production. Mm-hmm. What to maybe get some ideas on what I can do to actually make some money. And I think it'll be fun. And then one of my other goals in life is to sing with somebody famous. So you never know. If I get down to Nashville and there's somebody famous down there that I can sing with.
That would be so neat if that happened. And then, of course, get some video and get some things that maybe we could put on Incredible Buzz.
Yeah.
I'm
taking my cameraman along.
There you go. You'll be all set. So.
Yeah. Well, then when he gets up to sing, he's going to do this jam session that's down by Punta Gorda or something. And so maybe I can get the camera going and get some video for that. Uh-huh. So we might have some potential future shows.
Exactly. And maybe you'll make some connections down there, something that will wind up putting us down there where I can go.
Yeah.
I can actually go along, and I'd be up for that, especially, let's see, it's going to be February, and you're going to be
back at the beginning of March, so we're going to go for a couple
down
weeks.
In sunny Florida and wherever in February. So...
yeah, so it'll be fun.
Perfect timing to get out of the cold.
Yeah. So we're looking forward to it, and we'd take you along if we could, but I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. I mean, I can't go at the moment anyway. But
yeah.
But yeah, it'd be fun.
Yeah, so anyway, so we're going to try to liven things up and maybe get some out of the studio footage and see what we can do to make a couple of shows out of this.
That would be great. I'm looking forward to seeing what you bring back.
What are you doing? He wants to go along.
Yeah, I think so.
All right, well, we want to thank you for joining us, and this is for all of our YouTube and Facebook viewers and all of our new viewers on cable. We want to welcome you to our show, and hopefully we'll see you all around. And we remember that life should be an incredible buzz.